Did you know that Bored Ape Yacht Club collection and the CryptoPunks collection have been the best performing assets and have given their early adopters some of the insane returns that you can see anywhere in the crypto space? If you're new to this channel, my name is The Brutal Investor and this is The Brutal Investor channel, and my goal is to make you guys rich, brutally rich. So if you're here for the first time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and ping the notification bell so that you don't have to miss any cool videos that we upload in the future. So let's get started. So in this video, we're going to talk about an NFT project that is launching through OpenSea via the drop section. And this project is called the Founders Key by the DAOA team. This project has been in the works for quite some time right now. And this is going to be one of the most premium NFT collections out there. So let's see what this project is all about. So any information that we cover in this video are going to be based on OpenSea's page for this project. So if you want to find more information or if you want to do your own in-depth research before you put your money onto this NFT collection, please go to OpenSea and click on drops and you'll find all the information about Founders Key here. So now let's talk about what DAOA Founders Key is all about. So on this section here, you can see that they're talking about the platform itself, and this is the first NFT collection that's based on membership, and you can get lots of benefits by holding this NFT. Some of the benefits that they're talking about here includes experiences, especially luxury experiences, as well as VIP benefits worldwide. And they're also talking about partnering with iconic brands and reputed hotels. So any holder of this NFT will be able to get discounts or exclusive access as well as incentives through these partners of DAOA Founder Key, right? So you can basically get a lot of benefits through discounts as well as VIP access, and any form of exclusive retailer brands can also be accessed through this NFT if you hold this NFT. So that's what basically DAOA Founders Key is all about. So now we can go through a little bit more about the team who's behind this project, and they're called DAOA, and they're basically a world's leading destination for booking luxury experiences. So they basically focus on providing high quality luxury user experience for their clients, and they launched in May 2021, which is little less than a year ago. And they're basically operating from multiple different countries, including Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, UAE, and Australia. And they'll soon be expanding to the UK, EU, and the US for partnering with multiple retail brands. So if you see, they're basically offering technology with luxury experiences to give their clients the best opportunity to access exclusive inventory through their partners. So that's basically what DAOA team offers. So now that we've given a quick run through about the project itself as well as the team who's behind that, let's talk about the mint itself. So the mint actually is happening in 3 different phases. The first phase is the VIP pre-sale, which is the sale that's going to happen in about 50 minutes from now when I'm making this video. And this is happening in January 12th. In fact, all 3 sales are happening in January 12th, which is today. And they're basically happening at different time periods. As you can see on the screen, the VIP pre-sale is happening at 6 p.m. EST. The phase 1 allow list is happening at 7 p.m. EST, and the public sale for anyone to purchase is happening at 8 p.m. EST. So if you're watching this video right after its launch, and if you want to participate in this mint, you still have some time to participate at least in the public sale, right? So when it comes to the VIP pre-sale, the launch price is actually 2 ETH, which seems to be a little expensive in my personal opinion, which depending on when you're watching this video, it could be somewhere between $2,000 to $2,500 per mint, which is pretty crazy. And there are certain criteria that you have to have met if you were to participate in the VIP pre-sale. The same goes for allow list as well. You need to pay 2 ETH in order to participate in the phase 1 allow list mint. So we'll go through some of the methods by which you could become a part of the allow list. But I think if you're watching this video right now, I think it's already too late because you can't participate in the allow list section. So if you're watching this video and if you want to participate in this NFT mint, then you can only go through the public mint, which is happening at 8 p.m. EST today. And you can actually mint up to 2 mints per wallet, and each mint is going to cost you 2 ETH. So it's 2 ETH consistently across the board. And in my personal opinion, I think that's quite expensive, and I don't think a lot of people would be able to participate in this mint. But watch till the end of this video to find out how you can get this mint for cheap, because I do believe that this mint is going to not perform that well, and I think you can easily buy it off for a much more cheaper price in the secondary market. So if you watched this far into the video, guys, I would appreciate if you could please hit the like button, subscribe, and if you haven't already done so, please ping the notification bell so that you can get more exclusive videos like this in the future. And as you see, I'm making this video on the day of the mint itself. So if you want to get up-to-date access by clicking on the notification bell, you can have immediate access to my videos right away. So let's talk about the roadmap itself. It's good that OpenSea has sections for the mint, the team information, the FAQ section, as well as the roadmap. So let's talk about roadmap and see what they're actually planning to do with this project. So when it comes to roadmaps, they have divided their roadmaps into 4 different sections. The first and second are planned for Q1 and Q2 of 2023. And the first one is basically they're trying to partner and provide utility expansion for their product. So for people who hold their NFTs, they are trying to partner with as much premium brands and VIP experiences as much as possible so that they can give a highly discounted rates to NFT holders and give exclusive access to their NFT holders as well, which will be some of the main utilities for this NFT. So when it comes to Q2, their main focus will be to provide Web3 utility solutions, whereby here they're basically saying that they're providing white label redemption platforms as well as some means of accessing airdrops from day away partners as well, which will be provided to the NFT holders. So 2023 onwards, the NFT membership drops will be available. So for people who hold the initial NFTs, they'll be eligible to get more NFT airdrops, as well as other exclusive items will be added to the utility as well. And the final thing is basically the bucket list, which basically means that there will be a once in a lifetime money can't buy experience, which they're promising to their early adopters, and will also be given priority bidding for some of the future NFTs that Day Away will also be offering. So there's multiple different real world experiences as well as NFT airdrops that are available for people who hold this NFT. Now let's quickly go through the team who's behind this project. The main team members include Day Away, Martha, and David Vaslan. So Martha and David Vaslan are the founder and CEOs of the Day Away project itself, and Day Away is the team who's directly behind this project, and that team includes 20 plus professionals who have experience in marketing, hospitality, travel, blockchain engineering, as well as software development. So this is the team who has put together this project. So if you're still confused and if you want to know more information about this project and what the utilities are for this project, then I suggest you to go to the FAQ section, which is also available on OpenSea. So let's go through some of the FAQs that have been available on the website. So if you see, the first one is, how do I get allowed listed for this collection? So unfortunately, if you're watching this video right now, the allowed list section is probably closed and you won't be able to access the allowed list section, but you can still participate in the public mint, which will happen at 8 p.m. EST, January 12th. So the mint date is obviously January 12th, and the mint price is going to be 2 ETH for all 3 categories. And the most important question is, what are the utilities for this NFT? So when it comes to main utility wise, you get a lifetime Day Away Platinum membership, which is valid at $500 per year. So if you hold this NFT, you can basically get free Platinum membership, which is valid at $500 per year, which is pretty crazy. And also you get token gated access to travel and lifestyle experiences that are exclusive to our Day Away marketplace. So you can get exclusive access, as we discussed before, and you can also get upgrades, benefits, preferential rates, and hotel credits at over 4,000 hotels globally. So you can pretty much get a lot of benefits, including upgrades, preferential rates, and discounts and credits as well at over 4,000 hotels globally, which is pretty cool. And VIP access to premium entertainment, fashion, sport, and art events will also be available for you. invitation basically to private events at global and regional membership clubs, which is also available for the NFT holders. Discounts on luxury products including premium champagne and spirit brands. So if you want to get access to high quality champagne and spirit brands, you can basically hold this NFT. And the most important utility for this NFT is that you get a free NFT from every future DAW NFT collection, which includes annual NFTs with varying benefits, utilities, and partnerships. Our next NFT is planned for later this year, priced at $1,000 per NFT. So if you want free NFTs from the Steam for the future, you can basically hold one of the founders key NFT and basically get free airdrops from other NFT collections from this platform, right? So you can get so many benefits, and you can go through all of this information and much more through the OpenSea page. So what's my final thoughts on this project, guys? I think this is a pretty cool project where they are literally providing a lot of utilities, both real world as well as more NFT utilities for people who hold this NFT. The only problem is that I think 2 ETH per mint is actually really expensive, and it's definitely going to price out a lot of people who can't afford this mint. But the best thing about this platform, as well as the current bear market in general, is that NFTs are dumping like crazy right now, and we are still in the bear market. So if you want to own an NFT, you can actually buy it from the secondary market, right? So if you go through the FAQ section, you can also see that if you mint this NFT and you want a refund, you can get a refund by just contacting them and making sure that you are the first person who minted that project. If you bought it from the secondary, you won't be eligible to get a refund, but you can get a full refund, I think, for the first 90 days after minting this NFT if you don't like this NFT, right? So that option is available as well, which is a pretty cool thing that this team is offering. And I think with a lot of people immediately being priced out of the actual mint, I think the secondary market is the best place to buy this kind of NFT. And I can easily see this NFT reaching an initial price of about 1.5 to 1.25 ETH, in that range, immediately after the dump, once this collection launches. But I think it'll start slowly going up depending on how many high quality benefits that they're consistently offering. And I want to make sure that I provide you guys with all the information that I can. But if you want more information, please go through the FAQ section as well as the official website itself. All of those links are available on the OpenSea platform for Founders Key NFT page, right? So if you like this video, please hit the like button, guys. I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and support this channel by pinging on the notification bell. And if you want more cool videos like this in the future, please stay tuned and watch this channel closely, because we'll be coming up with more cool reviews like this for NFTs as crypto projects, right? So see you guys in the next video. Bye.